Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can earn around $100 per day just sending a link. Stay cool and watch this video. Today, I'm going to compare and suggest you best 4 link shortener site: adf.ly, ouo.io, shorte.st and syncme.io. Without making delay, let's start the video. The first site in my list is adf.ly. Open your browser and search for adf.ly. I'll provide all the link of this site in the description section. Please go through the link of description section just to avoid the fake site. The payout rate of this site is not good enough than the site that I'm going to discuss ahead, but on the basis of some country, the payment rate is good. You can visit the site and take a look of payment rate on the basis of your country. This site shows 3 different types of ads in your short-term link, and the payment rate is different too. The payment rate is different in case of PC and mobile too. This site is good for some country like United States, Canada, UK and Australia, but not that much good than the site that I'm going to discuss ahead. We noted that this site pay average amount in case of 1000 visitors within 24 hours in your link, and same thing applies for the raw device too. The maximum payment rate starts from $13.16 in case of PC and $8.81 in case of mobile if the device is unique. Also, the payment rate is less for the raw device. Simply have a research a bit according to your needs and visitor. Note down the payout rate related to your country and get ready for the surprise ahead. Okay, let's take a look of the next site which pay good than this. It's ouo.io. Simply check the link in the description section. This site is the top 3rd URL shortener over the world. The number of the link clicked, link shortened, and the registered user are awesome. Also, this site accepts 4 different international payment gateways, including PayPal, Payeer, and Payeer. Okay, without further discussion, let's take a look of payout rates of this site. Simply click the payout rates option at the top of this site. Something good in these sites are it pays at least $1.5 for all country, and multiple views from the same year are also counted. That's good to increase the more views in your link. This site pays good than the previous one in case of some country. Payout rates of this site start from $5 to at least $1.5 for all the countries, which is good. Simply visit the site and note down the payout rates of this site too as of your desire. Okay, it's the time for something better than this. Let's visit the 3rd site of this video named shorte.st. The link will be available in the description section. Stay tuned. This site is more user-friendly than the previous site we discussed, and the number of link clicked, link shortened, and the registered user are awesome. Now, let's take a look at payout rates. The payout rates of this site simply awesome for some country. It pays $14.04 for US, $10.75 for UK, $5.81 for Canada, and $8.61 for Australia. But in case of English-speaking audience, the payout rate is awesome, whereas for Spanish-speaker audience, the payout rate is less. Also, payout rate of this site for some country like India, Nepal are very less. Just note down the payout rate of this site as of your desire and get ready for the surprise and the final site of this video named syncme.io. Open your browser and visit the site. You will get the link in the description section. This site pays $220 for 10,000 views, which is awesome for doing nothing. The number of the registered users are very less comparatively to other sites, even though the link clicked and shortened are awesome with this much user. Also, this site support more international payment gateways including PayPal, Payeer, Bitcoin, Skrill, and bank transfer too. That's awesome. I can't stop showing you the surprise. Let's check the payout rates. This is awesome. You will receive $1 free for sign up bonus, and the minimum payout rate is $5. Also, the payout frequency of this site is daily, which is cool. It supports more payment gateways than the previous sites. The payout rate of this site starts from $22 for both mobile and PC. By the way, this is for a unique device, and the least this site pays is $3, which is cool. It pays at least $3 for all countries except Vietnam, Russian Federation, Venezuela, and Turkey. By the way, payout rate of US is less than the previous one, so just note the payout rate of these two and compare. In my case and ratios, I like this site. In the further lecture of this video, I'm going to teach you to create an account on syncme.io site and setting up an account. Get ready to learn. Click the link in the description section to get login page of this site. Once you get the home page, click the register option presented at the right corner of this site. You will be redirected to a new user form to register as a new membership. Complete the information needed to join, like your name. Make sure you choose the alphanumeric username as shown in the video, your email ID, your password for this site, and retype the password for authentication process. Check the I am not a robot options and complete the captcha given. Agree the terms of use and privacy policy, just checking the option. Once you complete this all, click the register option given below. Also, you can directly sign in with the Google account. It's up to you. Once you complete the registration process, you will be redirected to the login user form. Let me show you the further process too. Enter your information, i.e. username and password, and check the I am not a robot option to complete the authorization process. Complete the verification process given and sign in into your account. You will get your dashboard with all the detail like total views, total earning, referral earning, and average CPM. Let's complete the account setup process, I mean payment processing method, just to receive the earned balance. Go to the setting option and select profile. You can get setting option at the left corner of this website. Complete the billing information such as your name, address, state, city, country, zip code, contact number, etc. Once you have done, select the withdrawal method as your choice. In my case, I am going to select PayPal. You can select any of them like PayPal, Skrill, Payer, PhonePe, etc. If you don't have such accounts and want a video for this too, simply drop a comment below. I'll make video for this too. Also, be noted that the minimum withdrawal amount is $5. Scroll down and mention your withdrawal account, usually it's email ID. Once you have done, just submit the information you have entered. Okay, you have completely set up your account. Let me show you how you can earn now. Be noted guys, this video will be more effective for those who has blog, YouTube channel, website. You may also use this idea in your Facebook page or group where you can frequently send links. You can see that I usually provide lots of the link in my channel description. Copy any link that you want to share with others. It may be video link, website link, software, or maybe blog. In my case, I'm going to use my channel video link to show you how you can earn. Once you copy, go to the dashboard and click the new shorten link option. Paste your link, i.e. URL, and simply click on the shorten option to get short link. You will get your short link. Simply copy the link and start sharing it in your blog, YouTube channel, website, or any Facebook page or group. Once someone click your link, they need to pass through the advertisement to reach to the destination page or site. While they click on I am not a robot option, they will be suggested with the advertisement. Once they complete the process and continue to the new page, if they stay in the page for 10 seconds, your views will be counted. By the way, this website doesn't count those views which are generated virtually, i.e. clicking using the VPN, proxy, or shorten the short link of this site with other link shortener site. Once you get real views, your views will be updated into your dashboard as well as the statistic below. You can see my statistic here. I have generated 10 views with approximate $3 in range. Now let me show you how you can withdraw your earning. Remember that your minimum withdrawal limit is $5. You can simply check it in a setting option. Okay, now let me teach you how you can boost up your earning. You have your referral link in the referral option. Copy the link and send it to the different person in your group or list it in your channel, website, or blog. If your viewer registers through the link you mentioned, you will get 20% of their lifetime earning as a bonus. That's cool. Now you can see my dashboard. I got 1 more views. I hope you learn to earn through this idea. Start earning and enjoy the time ahead. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, like the video, and turn on the notification bell. Drop the comment below if you want video on making verified PayPal, Pioneer, Payer, or any other international payment gateway. Have a nice time.